How to change locked folder password in Google Photos. Before we start, keep in mind that Google Photos uses your phone's screen lock to protect the locked folder. So to change the password or PIN used to access it, you need to change your device's screen lock. First, open your phone's settings. Select Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. On some devices, this setting may be listed as Lock Screen or under a similar security option. Tap Screen Lock. Now, verify your identity using your current screen lock. Choose the type of screen lock you want to use: PIN, pattern, or password. Read the information about the selected screen lock, then tap Got it. Now, set your new PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it again to confirm your new screen lock. Once you've changed your screen lock, the new security method will also be used to access your locked folder in Google Photos. And that's how you can change the locked folder password in Google Photos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Google Photos tutorials.